know if I can look. My gray hairs is just popping. Gray hairs are popping. My gray hairs are cool. All the boys be jocking. They see me after.
Did you get ready in the dark or something? Because you look like a beautiful nightmare.
Hey folks, welcome to my channel, and in today's video we are going to be doing something that I seen off of TikTok. Now, my sister sent me a video and I was just like, let's try this new thing. Okay, I'm gonna try it. Anyway, if you're new here, welcome. We do everything here synthetically fun. Hopefully you're planning on sticking around for a little bit and you can go ahead and enjoy all the baddies that I upload. But if you've been here and you already know what we're about to do, girl, let's get into who's that girl. And yeah, slay for the day. Okay, all right. Okay, so my sister sent me a TikTok video, and in this TikTok video the person took Sensationnal Wood Lace collection Latisha and transformed her and actually changed her and cut her and gave her a bang. Now, I've been seeing this on TikTok probably for the last year and some change. TikTok, Instagram, Facebook. I mean, Latisha is that girl. I mean, this wig is, I wore her for my 40th birthday party, and let me tell you, I slayed, baby, all day. Okay, so I have her here, and this is a 2-year-old. I'm so telling my age. This is a 2-year-old wig. So let's go ahead and so this is Latisha, 2 years in. As you can see, her curls are still curling. Okay, this is what she looks like in the inside. I think Latisha is a 13 by, make sure, I don't want to give you the wrong. Okay, so she might be a 13 by 4, 13 by 6. Yeah, I think she's a 13 by 6. She has 2 combs in the front, 1 in the back, adjustable straps. All right, let me put your girl on. The lace was already cut. Again, she's 2 years old. See what Latisha is giving. She's hot. Oh, I forgot she's a lot over here. Latisha, boo-boo. I want to go about transforming her into what I saw on TikTok. The girl went ahead cutting the bangs into her, cutting her short. Ooh, girl, I'm scared to cut her short. Look at her short. Cut some bangs into her, and yeah, I claim to be your favorite wig influencer because I feel like I can influence you to buy a wig. Am I the slayer that I want to be? And girl, I want to be a slayer. I want to slay. Okay, again, don't judge me. This wig is 2 years old. I'm looking like a lioness. Let's go in and do what it do and hope and pray that I do this right. Oh, I'm scared. So this is actually round 2 with Miss Latisha. I went online and found a bunch of videos on how to curl synthetic wigs, and then I remembered I follow Ashley J, who's a really good friend of mine, and I don't even know if she knows this. I don't know if she knows this, but she literally has like 65,000 views on this video on how to curl synthetic wigs. So when I saw it, I said to myself said, let's go ahead and try that method. So I went ahead and tried her method, and success. Miss Latisha is curled all the way. I'm very excited about this. I don't know about you, but I'm very excited. So I don't know if this is actually her method, but that's the video that I clicked on, and that's the method that I used that I saw her do. So let's go about putting Miss Latisha on and seeing what she gives. Okay. Right, before I get into Miss Latisha, make sure you go down to my description box and follow Ashley J's page. She's an amazing makeup artist. She slings hair. She does all these wonderful things, and I just love watching her on YouTube. So do a lot of other people because she got 65,000 views on this one video. So just go ahead and check her out now. Alright, so Latisha, as you know, is from Sensationnal's What Lace collection. I'm not too sure if I said that before, but I'm saying it now. She is a 13x6 frontal HD lace. I got her in the color Bon Voyage Mocha. And she's pre-plucked, natural density, undetectable, flawless hairline, perfect hairline with baby hairs along the line. She comes pre-customized. She's a protective style, no leave outs necessary, and she's iron safe up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. So she's a little bit snugged. I did not glue her down. As you can see, this is what the hairline is giving with no glue like that. She comes ear to ear, so that's great. Like I said, she did have baby hairs, and you can go ahead and stick those down if you want to. I actually like Latisha like this, but I'm gonna go about maybe hand combing her out. I don't know, and seeing what she gives. Okay, so can we just call this an epic fail? Can we just say that to say that? Because I don't know. Don't get me wrong, straight out the box though, if you got Latisha, she's a good wig. But this, oh man, I'm so mad right now. Okay, so some of the curls definitely need to go back and be recurled, but I mean, she not bad. Like, see this curl right here? I don't know what happened here. She gone. I don't know what happened here. Why this is not curling the way it's supposed to. Look at me. Right now, I'm feeling like 1970s Foxy Brown. Don't get it twisted. Put a pistol in my hand. I'm about to rat this whole place. You know what I'm saying? That's how I'm feeling right now. In the comments below what I can do to actually curl the synthetic wig a little bit better, but she's still wanted to try to get back her curls to give off a curly look, and curls just dropped. I should have left, hold on, I should have left the flexi rods on there a little bit longer to give it more of a stay. But other than that, baby, I'm giving big forehead, I'm giving curls, I'm giving looks, I'm giving sophisticated, I'm giving no me. What? Latisha is definitely a wig you should have in your wig collection. And that is all that I have for this wig show and tell for today. If you don't get her, you're sleeping, baby. You're sleeping. Wait the fuck up. And go to that beauty supply store, online shop, wherever you get your synthetic wigs, like I get my synthetic wigs, baby, and pick up Miss Latisha. Cause child, even as a fail, she still looks good. Look at that one curl. That one curl happened to just jump out of nowhere just to show it was a fail. You see that? Man, the universe be trying me sometimes, man. Trying me sometimes. You know what? The harder you fall, the faster you can get the hell up, baby. Alright guys, listen. If you like what you see in this video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And hit that notification bell so every time I upload a baddie like this one. And she's a fail bad, but she's still a bad. You will go ahead and get notified. Alright folks. Love y'all. Bye.
Did you get ready in the dark or something? 'Cause you look like a beautiful nightmare.